What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Monday by KOTA the Friend. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's using 3 different chords that are fucking stupid. This is where I typically say that you could find these chords in the free ebook that's in the video description, but these chords aren't gonna be in there. So if you want the free ebook, it is in the video description though. Your first chord, it's like a B9, I guess, is like the closest thing. You're gonna bar the 7th fret with your index finger and then put your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the high E string. So, see, it's stupid. So again, 7, 9, 7, 7, 7, 9. And then your next chord is like it's like a version of like a augmented A chord. I'm not playing anything on the E and the A string. I'm just playing my middle finger on the 7th fret of the D string. Then I'm barring technically the next 3 strings with my index finger, the G, B, and E. But then I'm also putting, and that's on the 6th fret, and then I'm also putting my middle finger on the 7th fret of the high E. So it's 7, 6, 6, 7. And then finally this version of like an A, you're gonna bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, and then your ring finger is gonna go on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger is on the 6th fret of the G string. So it's 5, 5, 7, 6, 5, 5. So again, here, then we're going here, then we're going here. And once you get the chords down, that's the hardest part, because your strumming pattern is just down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute. So it's down, up on the first 2 chords and then down, up twice on the last chord. So down, up, 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 down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support support, and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.